Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Wahoo ELEMNT ROAM. We'll cover two main methods: a quick soft reset for minor issues and a more comprehensive factory reset for persistent problems. Knowing which reset to use can save you time and keep your device running smoothly. Let's start with the simplest option, the soft reset, which is often all you need. For minor issues like a frozen screen or unresponsiveness, a quick soft reset is usually the solution. Simply press and hold the power button, found on the left side of your ELEMNT ROAM, for about 10 seconds. The screen will turn off. Once it's off, release the button, then press it once more to power your device back on. This often clears temporary glitches without affecting your data. 2. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a factory reset is the next step. This will erase all workout data and return your ROAM to its original settings. To do this, press the left button to open the menu, then scroll down to Settings. From there, navigate to System Info, select Factory Reset, and confirm the action 2 times. Be aware that this will delete all stored workouts, so ensure your data is synced beforehand. 2. So, when should you use each reset? A soft reset is perfect for quick fixes like a frozen screen. A factory reset is for more serious, persistent problems, or if you're passing your device to a new owner. Always make sure your ROAM has at least 50% battery before any reset, and remember to regularly sync your ride data to the Wahoo cloud to prevent any loss. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.